try to solve this problem, that is integral cos x minus cos 2x divided by 1 minus cos x dx. Let us try to solve this problem now. Now cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1 if I try to simplify everything there. So I get this as integral as this is minus 2 cos square cos square cos square x and plus we have cos x plus 1 divided by that is 1 minus cos x. So what I have done is cos 2x I have substituted as 2 cos square x minus 1. When I simplify this, I get this. So let us look at next part of the problem here. Now I get this as equal to integral. If I take minus outside, so minus of I get 2 cos x plus 1 into cos x minus 1. Okay, if I try to simplify this, and the denominator, let us keep this as minus outside, and I get cos x minus 1 now into dx. So if you look at this, cos these two gets cancelled. So if I try to simplify this further, if I integrate this, I'll get a result as 2 sin x plus x plus c. So this is the solution of the integral. Let us try to look at another problem here. So the problem is on this. So let us try to integrate 5 power log x to the base e dx. Let us find the solution for this. So I can write this as integral x to the power of log, I get log 5 to the base e and dx. Okay. Now further, if I try to solve this, this is to the power of x to the power of n dx. So that will be x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So let us do that. So I get x to the power of log 5 to the base e plus 1. Okay, this is what I said, divided by now I get this as a log 5 to the base e plus 1. This is what I mentioned. Now this is plus c. Now whatever we have assumed this, and let us put it back together. So this will be the solution of the integral. So let us see the next problem here. 2 to the power of log x to the base 4. Let us try to solve this. Now 4 can be written as a square, so I'll write this 2. This is log x and 2 square. Okay, dx. Fine. Now again, if I try to put that, so I get half of that, 2 to the power of half. I can write this as 2 to the power of half and log x to the base 2. Okay, dx, by using the formula, that is log x to the base b to the power of n is equal to 1 by n log x to the base b. So that's what I've done. So let us try to further simplify this. So I get this as integral 2 this is a log, this will be root x to the base 2 and dx. Okay. And now this further I can write as integral root x dx. Okay, so this will be now this is I'll get 2 by 3 x to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. So this is the solution. Okay, let us move on to the next problem here. Okay. Now integral x cube divided by x plus 2. Let us try to solve this here. Now let me put x cube, adding 8 and subtracting 8. This divides by x plus 2 and dx. Okay. Now further let me write this here. This is x cube, this is 2 cube divided by x plus 2 here. This is dx. I am separating this. Integral, I get this as 8 divided by x plus 2 into dx. Okay. Now a plus b whole cube can be written as a plus b, a cube plus b cube. That's what I can write that as integral. I get that as x plus 2 and into I get x square minus 2x plus 4. Okay, this divides by x plus 2 and dx. Now this I can directly write as minus 8 log mod x plus 2 plus 6. Now if you look at this, I can cancel these two. So if I integrate this, I get this as x cube by 3. Okay, x cube by 3. Now that is minus x square. Okay, plus 4 into x. Okay, and this is the result. So log x plus 2 plus c. So this is the solution of this integral. So let us look into next problem here. Okay, let us try to solve this. Now again, like previous problem we have added, let us add this here as plus 5 and minus 5, and this divides by x square plus 5 into dx. So let us try to solve this here. Now this I can again write this. So if I separate this, I get as integral 1 by this is x square plus 5 and x these two gets cancelled. Okay, I can write this as this is dx, only dx will be left, and minus integral this is 5 divided by x square plus 5 into dx. Okay, now this is x and minus 5. Now integral of x square, and this can be written as 5 divided by root 5. Okay, root 5, and then tan inverse x by a, which is root 5 here. Okay, it's plus a. So this is the solution of the integral.